Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to remove your primary email address on your Facebook account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to remove your email address or your primary email address from your Facebook account, let's open up our Facebook app first. And now to remove your email address from your Facebook account, you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen just below the messenger icon. Tap on that three line icon like this, and after that you can also see the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen just beside the search icon. Or when you scroll down, you can see the settings and privacy option available over here. Tap on settings and privacy like this, and on the first there is the settings available over there. Tap on settings, and over here you can see the personal information on the account category. Tap on your personal information like this, and on this interface you can see the name, contact info, identity confirmation and manage account option. Let's tap on contact info, where we can see our emails and our numbers available over here. Now, to remove your email address from your Facebook account, you will be required to add another email address over here on this settings through this add email address button. And after adding your email, the email will be shown over here something like this. You can see there are two email addresses over here, and currently my Gmail address is my primary email address and my Yahoo is the secondary email address. Now, in order to remove your primary email address, first you will be required to switch the primary email of your Facebook account. For me, this let's make this primary first. Let's tap on make primary like this, and it has been confirmed. Let's we'll be required to restart our Facebook app again. And after restarting the Facebook, let's go to our settings again, and over here contact info, and you can see this was my primary email a while ago. Now the primary email has been changed or switched to this one. Now, to remove your primary email, go to the email which you had which you want to remove or which was primarily earlier, and after that you can see the remove button available over here just below the who can see this email address option. Tap on remove like this, and on this interface you will be required to enter your password over here, and after that tap on remove email to remove your primary email from your Facebook account. And there guys, this is how you remove your primary email from your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.